welcome to another video. This weekend I've signed up for my first wingfoiling race. It's in Changi beach at the northeastern shore of Singapore, and now I'm driving into the first race. I forgot my start timer, so I will just have to follow someone who looks like that they know what they're doing. So I think I follow that duotone wing. We got a few IQ foilers here hanging out, and looks like a few people have started lining up for the start. And there have been a few wings over the start line early, so they're turning around now, which, and I'm obviously not too early, I'm a bit too late, but that puts me now in 4th or 5th position here. So let's just go to the first jibe mark, following that Armstrong wing. Someone else is coming back as well here. He probably also went over the line early. These are sprint races, so it's simply one jibe and back to the start line. I'm getting closer to the Armstrong wing in front of me, and now I'm a bit affected by his turbulence, so I'm pulling a bit upwind to get around him. Okay, he noticed me, but I still try to pull ahead. Okay, here's already the jibe, so I will probably just take the outside and he will take the inside. It's a bit shorter for him. Nobody behind me. So I'm gonna take this one easy. Don't wanna crash the first jibe. Need the foot swap now. Here we go. That did work. Oh, still a bit stiff. And now we are on the way back. Duotone is right behind me. A golden duotone. Okay, so I think I will just now use my slightly higher speed and decide. I guess that's race for place 4 for myself. But not bad for the first race ever. We did miss the start, we managed the jibe, and we made it back. So mission accomplished. So we're not back yet. So let's first sail this home. Not sure what's going on here. Someone swimming. Okay, nobody upwind, nobody downwind, and we're back. So first race accomplished. Here's today's equipment. So I'm using a mid-sized Gong Cruzader board, Diamond. What I call this, diamond tail. It's a standard 100 centimeter Gong mast, not the race version. It's an Ypra S XL front wing, so 1200 centimeters, quite large since I expected, and there was in fact very light wind. And the wing is a Gong Droid 6.5 meter wing. Conditions on the day initially was like 6 knots, maybe even a bit below, and now it's around 8 to 10. It usually gets a bit stronger towards the afternoon. Okay, just driving to the next race, and we'll follow the duotone wing in front of me again, since he appears to be knowing what he's doing. Yeah, he had a good start while someone else was already over the line. I think that Armstrong went too early, but never mind. Let's just get into the race. Armstrong is slowing down. Maybe he has an issue. Don't know what's going on there. Our speed is reasonably good, so we're keeping up with the pack, more or less. Oh, the Armstrong is back. Suddenly picked up some speed as well. Maybe it was just waiting for me. So I'm going wide. Interesting. The guy in front of me is riding the entire leg toe side. That's one way of doing it, but impressive speed for two side stunts. Okay, someone is down in the jibe. Don't see. I think there's someone else went down as well, so that's gonna be a bit busy. So I have to find my line now, and there's also 2 more going in. So I need to check. Okay, there was someone, so I need to abort the jibe and go even wider. Okay, it's 2. And now we need to keep going back as fast as possible. Swap legs again. And try to pick up a bit of speed. Another Gong wing coming my direction. Not sure where they're going. Strange. Okay, there's a starboard. It's a very good speed upwind. There seems to be a bit of a gust line that he just managed to catch. Okay, looks like he's pulling away, so not much I can do here. And there's the finishing line. Not bad for my second race. All good. Okay, third race. Again, I will just follow someone. Seems to be a bit of excitement. And what's going on there? Ooh, that hurts. So let's look at this a bit closer. Oops, that was a close call, but nobody was injured and everyone is fine. Not even equipment damage. Okay, so we're in the race. Looks like we're now in 4th position. And 2 IQ foils have joined the mix as well. That's gonna be interesting. Usually it's one race wings, then IQ foil. I'm not sure why these 2 now showed up, and I hope they're not gonna block the jibe. But of course they do a little bit. Okay, fine. Have to find some space here. Go around. Wind is a bit light here. Oh, someone dropped next to me. Okay, now it's time for me to swap feet. And I got stuck in the footstraps. That's a bit unfortunate, but happens. Still happens. It shouldn't happen, but it still happens. Okay, the good news is the GoPro didn't get wet, so we still have good footage, which means we can keep going. Pumping out the board. The Cruzader is actually quite nice to pump. And off we go again. Yeah, so we lost like 1 or 2 places, but shouldn't matter too much. We'll probably strike this one off. Okay, getting closer to the black wing, but it's probably not going to be enough anymore to make it. Yeah, he's over the line, and now we are coming in I don't know what, 6th or so, 5th or 6th. Okay, next race, same strategy again. So I just foiled around a bit until I saw someone who looks like that they know what they're doing. and I noticed the dude in front of me. I could even hear his alarm, his start timer, so I will just follow him. There's a techno next to me. Start again a bit late, but nothing I can do. I have to follow someone else. Ah, okay, that's the rider who likes to go toe side and the entire leg, which is a good effort. Getting now a bit of swell as the tide is changing. Not a big swell, but can at least feel it. So the jibe mark somewhere around that red channel marker. Okay, looks like the first three already jibing. Then took a more downwind route. So we need to check now if I have space, bit of traffic. Two guys downwind, so I need to go wide. Yeah, just give them some space. Okay, is he gonna miss the jibe mark? No, he's making it. And now I have some issues with the harness lines, so I lost a few seconds here, not getting to the harness lines, so they pulled a bit away. So we need to somehow fix that or improve the system as well a bit. Okay, still someone behind me, so I should not slack too much. Yeah, these two also have very good speed, so I'm not able to actually pull in, so I will just finish the race behind them. And over there is the finishing line, and looks like the blue marker is quite far down, so going further downwind doesn't really save me much. Okay, they're already over. Okay, then I try to fix the camera, and unfortunately moved it a bit down, so I couldn't get any more races. There was this chaotic one where everyone OCS'd or fell in the water for no reason, and I came second, so it was a good one. And besides that, I just filmed the board for the rest of the day.